Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you this mermaid Halloween makeup that I created today. So it's got the greens on the eyelid and then the purple, blue and pink. And then I tried to do the mermaid scales, which I used as like a contour, and I just did that all over where the shadows would be on the face. And then I applied the glue, and yeah, so this is how it turned out. And I used the glitter, as you can see, in places where the light would hit. And I just thought this was a really good idea for a Halloween look for people who want to do something special for Halloween. So yeah, my hair like kind of just did this today, so I thought I had a really wavy hair day. So I just thought it was a strong mermaid vibe, and I wanted to create a Halloween tutorial anyway, so I just thought it would be a good idea to show you this Halloween makeup tutorial. So that's what I'm doing today, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you're all keeping well. So bye for now.
So I'm starting off by priming my face and my eyelids. Next I'm applying my foundation. This one is a much lighter tone. This is because I thought it would give the mermaid siren a really good underwater effect if I had paler skin. So here I'm taking my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm taking Neptune, Venus and Cosmic, and then I applied a wig cap. You could use fishnet stockings or a wig cap to achieve the same effect, and what I'm doing is just my contouring and highlighting as normal. You can see that this gives the mermaid scale effect that we want. What I'm doing now is applying highlighter to my face using Fractal. Now I have moved on to my eyebrows, and what I'm doing for this particular look is sweeping my eyebrows upwards. I just thought that the swept up brows would go with the siren mermaid look a lot better.
So this is how the look turned out. So it's kind of like a green, purple, blue, pink combination. And I included this combination in the contour. As you can see where the shadows are supposed to be, there's kind of like a mermaid scale effect, which I quite liked. And also you can see that I put glitter on where the highlight would go. I thought that gave it a really nice touch. So to achieve this look, I used the Revolution London Forever Flawless Constellation palette, and I used this palette for the eyes and also for the contour, and I think it's a really nice effect, to be honest. I really enjoyed creating this look and I'm really happy with how it turned out, to be honest. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it would be a good idea to create a siren/mermaid Halloween makeup tutorial since Halloween is coming up real soon. So I hope you're all keeping well and I hope you're all doing good. Look forward to some more Halloween content coming soon. Hope you enjoyed this one. I was quite happy with how it turned out. So until next time, bye!